How to log in into BJ's MasterCard account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in bjs.capitalone.com and search for it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you'll find this option of sign in and set up my account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option. As you want to log into your account, click on this option of sign in. With that, you will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you want to remember your credentials, check in for this option. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. After you log in, you will get access to your BJ's MasterCard. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into BJ's MasterCard account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.